Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into a video game character using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to open up Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits, and then you're going to go to the home menu and upload your photo here. Well, let me choose a random photo from my device. Okay, I'm gonna go with this photo. And then you can add this prompt. Okay, and I'm going to send it to the AI. And just hold on, guys. It's still generating now. Okay, done for the results. Wow, that's so cool. And then you can download the photo, guys. I'm going to choose one of them. I'm gonna choose this one, and we can click on this download menu and the photo will be saved to our device. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn your photo into a video game character using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, also subscribe to this channel. And if you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description. See you in the next video guys.